Hello, wonderful viewers all over the world. Welcome to our math class today. Today we are giving this very wonderful simultaneous equation with fractions. So we are going to solve for the unknown, which is x and y. We have 2 equal to 3. Let's call this equation 1. We also have 4 all over x plus 3 over y. Let's call this equation 2. Plus to 16, call it equation 2. Now, since these two equations have fraction, we are going to rewrite the equation 1 and equation 2 this way. So 1 over x, this is 1, so into bracket 1 over y equals to 3. Now we'll do the same thing in the other equation. We have 4 to bracket 1 over x, then plus 3 in bracket 1 over y equals to 16. Now let's solve by elimination method. We want to clear y in order to get s. So this equation, which is equation 1, and this equation, which is equation 2, when we do so, this is 3 times 2, we have 6 into bracket 1 over x minus 3 into bracket 1 over y equals to, as 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then the next is to also use 1 to multiply through in equation 2. We have 4 into bracket 1 over x plus 3 to bracket 1 over y equals to 16. So you can see that the the coefficient of y in the two equations is balanced. So we can now add up to clear up y in order to get x using elimination method. So 6 plus 4 here is 10. So we have 10 into bracket 1 over x minus 3 into 1 over y plus 3 into 1 over y will clear off to become what? 0. Then 9 plus 16 is 2. So that we now have to divide both sides by 10. So we have 10 into 1 over x over 10 equals to 25 over 10. So this will clear off. And what we have left is 1 over x equals to, 2 here we have 5, here we have 2, 5 here we have 5. So we have 5 over 2. So that x in the end is going to reverse to become 2 over 5. Now we are going to substitute. And this equation 1 is the one we are going to use. So we have 2 into 1 over x minus 1 into 1 over y equals to 3. And the next is, now if x is 2 over 5, then 1 over s is the inverse of it. So we have that 2 in the, now remember 1 over x is the same as 5 over 2. So we are going, wherever we see 1 over s, we replace. So we do this as 5 over 2 minus 1 into 1 over y equals to 3 minus 1 over y equals to 3. Collect like terms minus 1 over y equals to 3 minus 5 minus 1 over y is equals to minus 2. So that this minus will cancel out, and minus 1 over y equals to 2. So if you cross multiply, y will be 1 over 2. So in the end, our result is that x is equals to 2 over 5, as y will be equals to 1 over 2. This is the result for this solution. Thanks for watching. Bye.